We just bought a house sight unseen.
Macadam, New Brunswick, that has this beautiful historic train station.
We've never seen it before. We're going to see it right now. It was built in 1913, which makes it 113 years old. We know it needs a whole lot of work, but we're excited to bring you along to see it.
And not only is it an old house, it was a hoarder's house with stuff stacked to the ceilings. Every bedroom, it took weeks to get everything out. Tons of trailers. So we're excited to go see what adventures are coming our way and what unknowns we're going to have to replace. Because we do know, what do we need to replace?
We know it needs new wiring.
Yeah.
We know it needs a roof.
Yeah.
We know it needs windows, needs doors, and needs plumbing.
It's leaking everywhere!
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my goodness.
So not very much.
Right, not very much at all. So we're going to start with that, but then we're going to, keep you along for the ride to see what other unknowns come our way.
Stick around, should be fun.
Here it is.
Here we go.
I'm most excited to see this sunroom.
Not that key. That's so. Oh, it's the bell. Wow.
Okay.
That's nice.
All right.
Some work.
Wow.
I like the curtains.
They are lovely. I can't wait to get them down.
It's first leak.
Yep.
We'll take it.
Yep. We know it needs a new roof. All right. Well, this is going to be a pretty little sunroom.
Right, especially when we get some sun in here. Yeah, look at that. Oh, those windows are beautiful.
They're going to need some scraping.
Don't lick that paint. Probably lead.
Okay. Look at that. What's that? Just raw.
Really oldness.
Okay.
We should test that, I guess.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It smells empty.
I love the wood. I do.
Okay, the kitchen is,
Wow. Yeah.
wow.
There's a lot of doors.
Oh my God, there's a lot of doors.
Oh, pull string light? Okay. So
One, two.
this must be the basement.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Dungeon. All right. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors to the kitchen.
Let's explore.
All right. All right.
I remember seeing this in the pictures. There was laundry in this room, but this is the dining room, I guess.
The floors have so much potential. This is going to be the most beautiful little dining room. Okay, the ceiling needs some work. Okay, let's go check out the foyer.
It's beautiful.
It's stunning.
Look at the stairs. What the?
Oh, look at those stairs.
Somebody.
Why?
What do you think?
Why?
Dead body?
Why did they sand that floor area and only that floor area?
Is this the shape?
Oh my gosh, stop.
Oh,
Don't even get me going. Stop. Why is that even
the
like
shape?
that? I would get up, but this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm excited for this. And this enters the sun porch as well.
Living room's huge.
Oh, they're not French doors either. Oh, beautiful. Does the other one open?
That's a good question. There's no handle.
Oh, that's
We'll
weird.
figure that out later.
Okay. So this puppy's going.
You don't like the wood stove?
No, that is intrusive.
That's a good old stove.
But
I bet you
honey,
people would like that. That's an old wood chief.
can you pull that corner out?
Oh, right. We were hoping, right?
Yeah, we knew. Oh my gosh.
Damn.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay, let's keep them on until we paint and stuff.
Wow.
But wow, that's so exciting.
Oh, the windows are nice. That's a big window.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
goodness.
Cool.
Okay,
Doesn't look too bad.
let's go upstairs. Paul's bleeding already.
I got my first renovation cut.
Oh my goodness, you didn't even renovate yet.
I opened the door.
So let's go up the stairs. This used to be a hoarder's house, and they had hoard all to the ceilings of clothes. I guess he was a collector and so much stuff right to the ceilings. So the stairs are in pretty good shape. from having all of the clothes protect everything, I think.
They're as nice as they looked in the pictures.
They're stunning. Oh, they're not like crickety crackety.
Oh, look at that window.
Beautiful.
That's cool.
Beautiful.
That's cool.
I like this little chair mold.
That's a weird spot for a chair.
Look at the carpets just laid on. I can't wait to see hardwood floors.
It's gonna be pink or
Okay, I think we're gonna take the pink room.
pink room?
Yeah, can you show me the floors if they're good condition?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
They're like
Oh,
new.
honey, they're in great shape too.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, well that's fortunate.
That is so fortunate. Oh gosh, this is great. Pink walls, pink carpet.
Oh, another pull string.
That light is beautiful.
Oh, that's old, man.
Yeah.
Change the globe.
Ceiling's not too bad in here. Closet's tiny.
Oh wait, it's about maybe 13 inches.
Okay.
So it's for baby clothes.
Okay, so we can't hang clothes in this closet? Hanger won't work with the door shut?
No. Well, here maybe. Cool. And the pink room.
It's gonna be my office.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. It's okay. So lath and plaster has a few cracks from settling. Not a big deal.
Okay.
Can fix that up. Oh,
You can fix it. Oh, this is over the staircase.
another huge closet.
Huge. I love it.
There's so much light.
Let's see the blue room.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
Oh, so we know there's hardwood floors.
Okay, blue room. Oh, ceiling, not great.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's a leak.
Okay.
'Cause I know the chimney's around here somewhere, so that's probably our leak.
Okay. Good thing roofers are coming. Is this deeper? This is deeper. This
Do you have
closet.
an actual closet?
Yeah, deeper.
Oh, with
Ooh,
hardwood
that's
floor.
spooky.
Should I look at my reflection?
And then there's another little.
Okay, hardwood reveal.
Okay. Are they in good shape?
They're
No.
not bad shape.
No, they are not. But yeah, they got blue paint all over them and stuff. But that's okay.
Try and clean it up.
It's beautiful.
Oh, there's old rad there for sure
Oh,
right here.
yeah.
So there was
Okay.
radiators up here. I did see a
Wow.
boiler in the basement.
Some damage there.
Here too. Just from being empty.
4 years empty.
We got this.
Okay, let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, bathroom. This is where all the flies hang out, I see, or hornets, whatever they are. Wow. Well, this looks fun.
Yeah, that's tub looks alright.
The tub looks great, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, this is oh my god, this is the same tub I had when I was a kid.
Is it?
Look at you can turn it on and off with your feet. It's all that my mother ever wanted.
Oh, right, we have no water. Oh, but I do love this. A little built-in.
Oh, do they work?
Oh, it does.
Oh. So far
Perfect.
nothing major. Other than the roof is horrible.
Wow. Ceiling's not bad in here.
Oh, and they're tall. They're
Yeah.
10 feet.
Oh, maybe we could put tin ceilings in here.
There's the attic hatch. I'll get up there later.
Okay.
We'll see.
What's all that bubble stuff?
Yeah.
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 That's just a yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll fix that.
Fine. I love this.
Solid.
So much to do.
Hey, this door is taped.
It's taped.
Should we?
The doorknob looks like it's gonna fall off. Maybe we should try from the outside.
Oh, I think we're winning. Jeez, might it be?
Ah, shucks, it doesn't work. What was that noise?
I think it was the doorknob.
I think the doorknob, yeah.
I don't want to break it. I think I'll need a tool. I don't want to break it.
Okay.
I think that's a... Oh, there's a light. Hey, there's an actual light switch in the house. Shelves.
It's great because it's such a tiny kitchen.
Big.
Doesn't smell too bad. Oh, it hit my head. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
100 amp breaker.
Oh, wow.
Firewood.
Well.
Hey, this is why we don't have water.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
That's supposed to go there, water meter.
Okay, good. So, that'll be exciting.
Yeah, the water's shut off at the street.
Okay. There's one more room to show, honey.
Oh, right, the reason.
Yeah, let's go.
Plus the garage.
Oh my gosh, and the garage. Yes, let's go. Okay, let's show them my special project room. I'm so excited. You're gonna have to stay tuned to see what we're gonna do with this room. But this is right off the kitchen.
We know it's not in good shape. And we know it's not in good shape. That's how much it's falling off the house.
You're gonna fix it, right, honey?
I'm gonna fix it.
You're gonna fix
I'm
it.
gonna fix this room, believe it or not.
Yep.
Look at the hump. Can you see the hump from the
I don't know. If I get down like this, maybe they can see the hump. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I wonder what's
That's a
under
big
there.
hump. That is something. Walk down to the little.
Whoa, that's downhill.
Yeah, that's downhill. So this is going to be something that we will reveal later on down the road.
All right, watch me beat this room up. Okay, let's go to the garage. Check it out. It's big.
It's beautiful.
Amazing.
This is not as old as the house. Our real estate agent got her grandsons to come help us unload all of our belongings into the garage because we don't have a house to live in just yet. So thankfully the garage is massive and huge and we're able to store everything we own in one garage. So I gotta go pee and there's no water in our house. So we have to go to a campground. Thank goodness we have an RV.
Right, but because our water wasn't turned on at our new house, our real estate agent called the town, and the town graciously let us stay at the campground for free until they get a chance to turn our water on. So we're hooked up here with our RV, plus there's bathrooms, plus there's a shower and laundry here.
Yeah,
So here's where we are.
I'm showering tonight. I'll turn it around.
All right, Waukegan Lake.
That's where I'm taking a shower tonight.
That's where I'm doing laundry. Beautiful campground, big tall pines. Sunsets are incredible, and it's only 3 minutes from our house.
And here we are. I get to go pee. She's loving the sun.
What are you
taking
doing?
a bath in the sun. Yeah. I don't know if the Amazon driver had a hard time finding this place, but there's a 35 there. There's a 35 there. There's a 35 here. And there's a 35 there. I think we need another number 35 in our house. Okay, so we're gonna bring a few things in because we need a coffee.
Yeah, now we're gonna start tearing curtains down.
I'm excited. And knickknacks. Can we get rid of all the knickknacks?
Let's go around and get pictures of knickknacks so everybody can see the stuff that's around here.
I don't even understand why they left all these knickknacks if they removed the rest of the hoard. Oh wow, that looks so much better already.
That was easy. Deputy dog.
Look at that. What a difference this makes already.
It's huge. Ew. Oh, look at that guy. That's nice. It works.
That's not nice.
That's staying.
It's not staying.
Wow, that let some light in. Nice blinds.
Nope.
They were nice blinds.
Nope.
Double blinds. Oh, now we gotta see the neighbor.
That's all right.
You all right?
Yeah.
Maybe they don't want to see us.
Nope. It's good. It's not like we're walking around naked in the dining room. Living room.
Oh, ooh. You don't like the blue ones?
No. Oh, that's got stained glass.
Oh, cool. I was more marveled at this.
Oh, wow. Get rid of that.
That's nice. That's nice.
Oh, I didn't know that had stained glass.
Wow, that's beautiful. It's like matches the one on the stairs.
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
Oh, look how much better this living room looks just by taking down some curtains.
There's the street.
Let the light come in.
Right. Oh, there's the doorknob.
Oh, the doorknob did fall off.
Hey!
The roofers are here! The roofers are here! We're so excited! The roofers are here! We decided to get East Coast Contractors to give us a quote on new windows and also the garage roof because it's missing some shingles. Now that that's taken care of, back to getting rid of some more curtains. Perfect. Beautiful.
Nice. Hey, hey. I like that. Keep that one?
Nope.
Nice balance.
Nope. What'd you find?
That looks like a cheesecloth.
It is.
Extension cord.
What's those things?
Oh, those are old insulators off the power poles.
What?
Yeah, glass.
Huh. Any money?
Well, there's a bag.
There's a what?
A bag.
A bag? For reals? What's it say?
Socks.
Oh, I was hoping to
Oh,
be
it's
a bag of
another
money.
curtain.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Anything underneath the drawers?
This is the under the drawer.
Like underneath, like did they tape anything
Oh.
at the bottom of the
Oh,
drawer?
What's this? This could be.
Oh, there is something in that.
Oh wow.
What is it?
It's some maps.
Oh, wow. They're all laminated.
Oh, they're like placemats. Maybe.
Oh
I
my
don't know.
gosh.
Wow. Look at the maps.
That's
Oh,
funny.
there's more.
Oh,
Adam,
wow.
our door is always open. Come see us.
Wow.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Nothing. How'd you do?
Oh, they're sticky. Oh, gross. I can't do it. I need gloves. Ta-da!
Is that all of them?
That's it.
That's a mound of stuff.
That's
right
disgusting. My hands feel gross.
So you're just gonna wash those and
Yeah.
put them back up?
We have no water to wash my hands.
I meant the drapes. You're gonna wash them all, put them back up?
You're funny. Okay, so that's it for today.
That's our house.
That's our house. We have this mound on the floor. My hands feel disgusting. And we tore up some flooring as well. And I really think we want to take that blue carpet out of the living room because I think I found some poop on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
human or feces?
Don't
Mouse?
know.
Something?
Don't
Okay,
know.
cool.
Yeah. So thanks everyone. Till the next episode.